Okay, so you want me to be in this one?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we are. New video. Dropping new video. YouTube video. James Borchard. He's been hanging out all day. It's been raining all day. What do you think about the rain, James? What are your thoughts?
It was really fun.
Okay, there you have it. Wow, that was a good one. Good answer. What do we do today? Yeah, you want to have it now? Absolutely, go for it. It's all yours. You're the star.
Oh?
James, you have to talk to the camera. The fans want to know your thoughts and your views.
Hello, my name is James.
Don't tell Bo in the bath, please.
Okay. This is me, James Borchard. You remember that thing right there? You want to see it or not? Manual. Okay. Thing. So now this is my kitchen, and this is outside. You can see wood outside. So now I have my camera there. Santa's watching me. So once you're going, I think I know what's inside.
What are you watching, James?
Lily could use your help, Carl.
What are you
She's watching
watching?
the babies, and they won't take their afternoon
And
nap.
I'm doing a
Can you
YouTube
help?
video.
Whoa.
I was watching this. Hey, Bo, what do you want to say to YouTube fans? Stop watching the show. Stop watching the show. Hey, Mama, what do you want to say to the YouTube fans?
What?
What do you want to say to the YouTube fans?
I just want to say thanks for staring at my
What will you
forehead.
transform into, Carl?
Let me. Bo, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
Okay, I just want to say something. No, 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 no.
James, what are you doing? James, can I have my phone back, please?
What are you gonna watch? What are you gonna watch?
What am I gonna watch? I'm gonna watch more trailers, and your filming is not good.
Got it! I have